I feel angry at myself. I feel ashamed.
Ang low talaga ng confidence ko, lalo kapag ako lang.
I came to the point na umiiyak ako sa gabi kasi nahihiya akong humarap sa tao.
Basta I felt really down. And there are days that I just want to lie in bed. I don't want to go out. I was in denial at first because I thought that they would just go away.
Na-conscious talaga ako kasi syempre after gumaling nung isa, may naman, tas ang laki-laki pa.
Frustrated, desperate. Kasi of course, lahat naman tayo gusto na maganda yung skin natin.
Maybe if I was more flawless or poreless, maybe people will like me more.
May times din na hindi ako nagpapa-pictures. Kahit may gathering, family gatherings, hindi ako nagpapa-picture kasi I don't like how my skin looked like.
I avoided looking at people's eye because every time I would look at them, parang I think that they're looking straight at my acne spots. I feel like they're judging how I look.
Baka iniisip na nila ang fake ko kasi nga sa social media ang perfect ng skin ko. Pero pagdating sa personal, parang hindi naman ganon.
Sometimes I feel instead of focusing on what I'm saying, they were focused more on my skin.
I feel the same way. Like, pag may kausap ka, feeling mo, they're not looking at your eyes, but they're
Yes.
looking at your skin.
Yes.
Nakakababa din ng confidence, to be honest.
Don't want to see myself, especially with big mirrors.
I actually told my husband, can you cover all the mirrors na?
Nalulungkot po ako sa self ko kasi
Lagi po ako nakakarinig ng comments.
Every time I would video call my parents, I would switch off my camera. My daughter also started noticing it, and that's when I feel like, what's happening with me?
They will even call me names na si Fruity or Fruity Gyawat po. Parang ang sakit lang po na sa family member mo pa maririnig yung ganun.
So nakikita ko dito yung confident na Cedric. Kasi para makapag-selfie ka, it takes courage.
Yung confidence niya, parang yung smile niya is mas genuine na ganon.
She looks so confident in this photo. I think she's loving her skin more.
Kung wala kang self-confidence, hindi ka makakapag-selfie kasi ganun din ako before.
We're gaining back our confidence.
Acne is something na hindi naman natin ginusto. Can also teach us lesson din.
The other people who doesn't have acne-prone skin like us, for them, dirt lang yun sa face mo, you didn't sleep well. But for us, it's not just dirt, it's more than just the skin deep.
People don't realize that when you suffer with acne, that the healing goes beyond the skin.
hindi siya acne lang. And for me, acne is my story. It contributes to what I am today.
You guys are perfectly imperfect.
You are all beautiful and you are loved with acne or without acne. And we have each other naman to support.